The reason why we do invest in Dream It Do It is very important to me. It is investing in our youth and our workforce, getting kids involved and excited about manufacturing.
Investing now for the future is huge, where we can commiserate and talk about the crisis that we're having with keeping people in our area or the demands that we need. But if we ourselves are not willing to invest in that, where are we going to be?
We are supposed to provide a path to every student for college or career readiness. The Dream It Do It partnership has helped us to amplify that opportunity, not just for our kiddos, but for kids around the county.
Manufacturing is really the backbone of this country. Know that you're helping to not only grow your company, your community, but the whole country.